Alright, so I got a couple videos lined up for you guys. So one is this little PCV valve, which is this guy here, leaking. So let's take this guy off, literally one bolt and no other connections. Let's just go ahead and okay, so we're here. If you guys can hear me better, I got a mic. If you guys can't hear me any better or I still sound awful, I'm sorry. It's just my voice. Can't do anything about that. As you guys can see, the reason I'm changing this is because I think there's an oil leak somewhere around here. It's not very severe, but that could have been from when the cap here was broken. So that could be literally anything. So that's how long the bolt is. Pretty long. I just gotta get your fingers in there. Let me go get a set of a screwdriver because this guy wasn't cracking open. Okay, there you go. So slid out. Now, by the looks of it, it's definitely time for a change. So one thing I do see and that I'm a little frightened of is that it looks like it's missing a seal. And I don't think it's supposed to be missing any seals. So I'm going to try to fish it out with, oh damn, nothing fits in there. A little piece of wire or something. So I'm going to try to fish it out. If not, it's somewhere in there lost. Because you guys can see this bottom one here. Either this one's different and doesn't have a seal at the bottom, which might be the case. Alright, so I cleaned this guy off and it definitely does not have a seal at the bottom, so I'm not going to fish it out. But this thing was full of crud, so I couldn't even tell. And yeah, the seal here at the top looks like straight up plastic, so definitely time for a change here. So I'm going to put them side by side here in a sec. Here's the new one with one rubber seal at the top, one rubber seal at the bottom. That little hole, that is our oil passage. And up at the top, it's a little hollow. Up at the top, it's pretty much hollow. So there's that. So now, from what I see, that there's really nothing that goes in here. Yeah, so it's pretty much hollow. I blew into it, nothing comes out. So nothing is supposed to go there. So go ahead and put that guy back in. Same way the other one came out. Just gotta squeeze it in there. Wiggle that sucker in there because it's not wanting to go in. So I ended up cleaning it out with the pipe cleaner because I did not like how dirty it was. I have no idea how I got this dirty. Anyway, thing is covered. So I am tightening it now, and as you guys can see, the little screw is not fully lined up in there. Now, my error was not checking to see if the screw actually fit in there well, or if it fit on the side like that. But it would make sense to me that it does, unless I would have something to sit at the bottom. So yeah, I would have to grab onto the side here a little bit, just for it to hold. Now I am seeing another potential leak right here of power steering fluid, but it looks like it's just a little wet. Maybe it was just when the thing was changed here, because it's got a good level and it hasn't really dropped. So I'm going to definitely have to clean up the engine bay a little bit and see what I can do here. A little low on coolant, so I'm going to top her off. And yeah, so let's just keep her going. That's it for the video, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. I am going to install the other two sensors here on the weekend, but that's it for today. Peace.